Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cam detector is probably one of the most essential gadgets for anyone concerned about their privacy. In today's world, hidden cameras are everywhere, and it's crucial to protect yourself. This video will explore the top cam detectors on the market, helping you identify and eliminate potential threats. We'll delve into their features, performance, and ease of use, ensuring you can make an informed decision and safeguard your personal space. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam offers dual-channel recording, capturing footage from both front and rear cameras simultaneously. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures in 1080p, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. It has a wide-angle lens to capture more of the road. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, this dash cam delivers exceptional image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. The front camera's f1.5 aperture and the rear camera's f1.8 aperture allow more light to enter the lens. This results in brighter and clearer recordings, especially in low-light environments. With its built-in dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can view and manage recordings instantly on your smartphone. You can download videos directly to your phone at speeds up to 20 MB SEC and easily share them. You can also manage camera settings and update the firmware via the app. The dashcam comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to view real-time speed and compass on the screen. It records driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly on the video. You can watch videos with GPS data using the free GPS player on your PC or Mac. This dashcam includes a free 128GB microSD card and offers advanced features. These features include an f1.5 aperture, motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, and emergency video lock. It also has a built-in supercapacitor for extended product life. The R2-4K Dual offers 3 options for its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode. These options include 1 frame per second time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. If an event occurs while parked, the camera will record a full 1-minute video and give you a voice alert. What we like. This dash cam offers both front and rear 4K recording, ensuring you capture everything on the road. With its fast 5G Wi-Fi, you can quickly download and share your videos. If you are looking for a comprehensive recording solution with easy sharing capabilities, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I recently purchased this camera detector, and I am extremely impressed with its performance. The device is incredibly easy to use and has a sleek design. It quickly detects hidden cameras and provides clear alerts. Number 4. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam captures your drive in stunning 4K resolution. It uses a Starvis 2 sensor with a wide-angle view for the front and 1080p for the rear. This ensures you get clear recordings, day or night. The F7N Touch features voice commands for hands-free control. It also has a smart touchscreen to lock videos and capture scenery. Multiple control methods are integrated for your convenience. Connect to the dash cam's Wi-Fi via the REDTIGER Cam app. You can enjoy faster download speeds and share your driving experiences. The built-in GPS provides traceable location and speed information in the recordings. This dash cam automatically overwrites old footage with loop recording. The built-in G-sensor detects impacts and locks the footage. This ensures important events are saved. The dash cam offers G-sensor parking mode to record collisions while parked. Time-lapse parking mode provides continuous surveillance. Please note that a hardwire kit is required for this function. Mount the dash cam easily and hide the wiring. REDTIGER provides an 18-month guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Drive with peace of mind knowing you are covered. What we like. This dash cam stands out with its voice control and touchscreen features, making it incredibly user-friendly. The fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for quick downloads and sharing. If you value convenience and ease of use, this dash cam is designed with you in mind. What people say. The device is small and easy to carry. It is very easy to use. It quickly detects hidden cameras. Number 3. COOAU 4K Dual Dash Cam with 64GB SD card. This dual dash cam captures everything in stunning detail. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures in 1080p, ensuring you don't miss a thing. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it connects seamlessly to your phone via the COOAU app. You can easily stream, download, and share your videos on social media. It automatically overwrites old footage, so you never run out of space. The G sensor also protects important video evidence by locking it in case of an impact. When paired with a hardwire kit, it provides continuous surveillance even when your car is off. This feature helps safeguard your vehicle against vandalism. The dash cam is designed to be discreet and easy to install. It mounts neatly behind your rearview mirror and starts recording automatically when you start your car. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures. It also supports up to 256 GB microSD cards, with a 64 GB card included, for plenty of storage space. You can power it via a car charger or USB cable. For 24-hour parking monitoring, you'll need a hardwire kit to keep your vehicle protected. What we like. This dash cam provides stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording quality, ensuring every detail is captured. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to manage your footage. If you want high-quality video with convenient connectivity, you should consider this. What people say. The device is small and easily portable. It is very easy to use. The device is effective at detecting hidden cameras. Number 2. COOAU D30S 4K Dash Cam with GPS Wi-Fi. This dash cam captures stunning 4K video, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details on the road. It provides a wide view, making sure you have all the evidence you need in case of an accident. This is the perfect driving companion for you and your family. With front and inside cameras, this dash cam offers complete protection. It records both the road ahead and the interior of your car. This feature is ideal for rideshare drivers, providing safety and recording passenger behavior. The camera's large aperture and infrared LEDs provide exceptional night vision. Even in complete darkness, it records clear, detailed footage. This gives you peace of mind during long night drives. Easily connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to access and share videos. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving routes, locations, and speed. This all-in-one design boosts stability and reliability. Even when the engine is off, this dash cam keeps watch. It automatically records and locks video during parking, protecting your car. 3 parking monitoring modes are available to suit your needs. The dash cam seamlessly loops recording, ensuring you never run out of space. The G sensor automatically locks videos upon detecting a collision. This helps you preserve important footage. This dash cam is built to withstand extreme temperatures. COOAU offers 24/7 support and a 2-year warranty. It is designed to keep stable operation in any condition. What we like. This dash cam offers 4K front and inside recording, providing comprehensive coverage of your vehicle. The IR night vision ensures clear footage even in complete darkness. If you're a rideshare driver or someone who values both front and interior recording, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Installation was super easy, video quality seems perfect and the memory card has plenty of space. I really like the speedometer feature and the geo coordinates. It's a solid dash cam and I am happy with the great purchase so far. I wish it had a rear view cam too. Number 1. IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. This is the IIWEY N5 dash cam. It offers a full 360-degree view, recording everything around your car. The front, rear, and sides are all covered, ensuring comprehensive protection. The N5 records in full HD 1080p, capturing every detail. It also has a 2.5K mode for even higher resolution. This ensures that you have clear footage in any situation. Equipped with wide-angle lenses, this camera captures a broad field of view. It also features night vision with 8 IR lamps, providing clear recordings even in low light conditions. The N5 uses 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast and reliable connections. You can easily connect to the app to view, download, and share videos. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. It comes with a free 128 GB SD card, and supports up to 256 GB. Loop recording ensures that you never miss a moment. When the card is full, it automatically overwrites the oldest footage. The dash cam offers 24-hour parking mode for continuous protection. It requires a hardwire kit, sold separately. This feature helps to monitor your car even when you're not around. The built-in G sensor automatically detects impacts. When a collision occurs, the camera saves and locks the video. This ensures that important evidence is protected. What we like. This dash cam provides a full 360-degree view, capturing everything around your vehicle. The 5G Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to manage your footage. If you need complete coverage and easy access to your recordings, this dash cam is the ideal solution. What people say. It gives a full 360 degrees view, and all the videos look clear with 1080p quality. The 8IR night vision lights work very well, and the video at night is easy to see. The 5G Wi-Fi connection is fast, so I can quickly check or download the videos on my phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.